Have you ever tried to save a map in Shiny, only to run into frustrating errors? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to save a Leaflet map as a PNG or JPEG image. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your code doesn't work as expected. You're not alone in facing this issue. Many users have encountered similar problems when trying to save their Leaflet maps. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "How can I save and download a Leaflet map as a PNG or JPEG image?" They provided some code, but encountered an error when clicking the download button. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? The message states that package must be of length 1. This usually indicates an issue with how dependencies are being handled in your code. We'll break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a bonus tip at the end that will help you use Leaflet proxy effectively. You won't want to miss it. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the necessary packages are installed. The user should check if the map view package is installed, as it is required for the mapshot function to work properly. Next, the user should modify the download handler in their server function. Instead of using input map, they should use the output ID directly to reference the Leaflet map. Now, let's address the error message the user encountered. The error indicates that the package must be of length 1. This usually happens when the Leaflet map is not properly rendered before attempting to download it. Finally, for bonus points, if the user wants to use Leaflet proxy, they can modify the server function to update the existing map instead of creating a new one. This allows for dynamic updates to the map. Fun fact, the first interactive maps were created in the 1960s. Just imagine how far we've come since then. Now we can create stunning maps with just a few lines of code. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using reactive values to store the Leaflet map. In their approach, they define a reactive value called map to hold the map data. This allows the download handler to access the map correctly when saving it as a PNG file. Here's that bonus tip I promised. When using Leaflet proxy, always ensure that your map is fully rendered before attempting to save it. This will save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to save your Leaflet map without any issues. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the coding journey. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video.